Okay, this is manual mode. Oh my god, it's more responsive in the manual mode. Okay guys, so this is it. I've given you a complete overview of what the Tucson is made up of. The word Tucson means sentinel peak, the peak of a mountain, and this is the peak of performance, design, safety, and the ultimate value that money can buy you here in this segment. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just get in, hop in, because it's been a crazy day. Oh my god, I'm falling short of adjectives trying to praise this beyond the galaxy, because this in black, if you see it, just look at this. The floating speedo console, the instrument cluster is straight out of the Wakanda universe, or whatever you'd like to call it, man. This, like, in black, it looks like the Black Panther's SUV, undeniably. And आप लोगों के सपोर्ट के साथ थोड़ा 1 million करवा दो सब्सक्राइब करके, and definitely Dino Bhai will buy this. Wow. And okay, so now powertrain, 2-liter diesel, 2-liter petrol. 2-liter petrol puts out 156 PS and around 192 Newton meters of torque, and then the 2-liter diesel puts out 186 PS and around close to 420 Newton meters of torque. So let's not waste any more time. You have the driving modes, and the first drive mode that I am going to get into, you guessed it right, sport it is, baby. So responsibly, like baby driver. Wow, love the feeling. I don't want to go up front, I'm going to go reverse for a change. Careful, careful, careful. You have a 360-degree eagle's eye camera watching your back, and flawlessly, and very high resolution camera. That is what I come expecting. And we are still in sport. We have hill descent control, hill hold control, vehicle stability management, electronic stability program, anything and everything that you can think of. 6 airbags in terms of safety, but it's all about putting a smile on your face when you floor the pedal. Oh, I wish I'm gonna have another go at this once I go home. That is for the top speed and the high speed stability test. But this thing is just beyond imagination. Just goes by the name, does justice to that. And look at the view, the place, whoever thought of this, giving us a drive here. It's like heaven on earth. It's like Pandora's planet. It's like the Avatar universe. It's like heaven on earth. I gotta bring my ZX-10R here and just nail the corners or nail the apex. Beautiful, beautiful road here. It is kind of dangerous because it's a single lane, but when you look around, goodness gracious, every view is a wallpaper. And talking about this, 18-inch wheels, so that is something that translates into superb high-speed stability. Body roll is well controlled. We've seen that in the Venue and the Creta as well. It is asking me to reduce speed, but okay, the high speed stuff we can't definitely not test because it's all mountain twisties kind of a road. We have to do a little bit of canyon carving here. We can check the handling though. Ooh la la, so satisfying. The steering feel is not too light, not too sensitive. It's just the right heft and the right feel and the feedback that you want to give you confidence to nail these, canyon twisties or mountain twisties each time you hit the corner. Wow, I'm so grateful to Hyundai India for inviting me over. And the perfect SUV, you can call this the perfect SUV. Like anything and everything. ADAS features, 16 ADAS features. Have you heard of that? Like you have the collision warning, the collision assist, forward collision assist, rear collision assist, and you have 360-degree camera. You have adaptive cruise control. Goodness gracious, you have that falling asleep warning. If you're dozing off, it kind of wakes you up, giving you a warning. And The powertrain is well balanced. It's not too much of aggression. At the same time, it's not too mellow. It has that zing when you need it. Unfortunately, in this kind of scenario, I can enjoy the view, I can enjoy the handling that this car has on offer, but I can't really push it to its limits. So gotta be a little watchful here, because at the end of the day, active safety and passive safety both are in your hands. Got to be accountable and responsible, especially with a powerhouse of a machine like this. Man, the Tucson excites you. It just excites you. To put a smile on your face the moment you look at it. The kind of chiseled bodywork, meticulously crafted to perfection. Then you have the H-Track all-wheel drive system, with the terrain modes and the drive modes. And in sport mode, yes, of course, we have camera bags at the back, and they are just spilling all over because I'm attacking these corners at pretty decent speeds, man. And the body roll is, yes, very well controlled for an SUV. It's not too much of a washing machine kind of an experience, but what a car, man. Really, if only they can get the pricing right, this is gonna rule the game. And all you Creta lovers who wanted a proper upgrade option, well, this is it. This is beyond perfection. This is beyond comprehension, and this is the perfect upgrade for all you Creta lovers out there, because the shifts are so smooth that and it is so precise. So there's no latency in that. Even the throttle response, the engine is buttery smooth. This is the 2-liter diesel, one of the most refined engines in our market. These guys are pioneers in diesel, we all know that. Just look at this thing go. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Man, we've gone past 120 in a flash. Let's hit the brakes. The brakes are pretty good. The tires offer supreme road grip, and overall I kind of love the way this thing oozes confidence. Bro,
so how was the shoot?
The shoot was excellent. This car is like beyond comprehension, man. How did you come up with such a proposition? It's very next level on another level.
It's automatic.
It's diesel automatic, but still everything else is like, it's like a definition of perfection,
yes,
coming together. Be it the handling, the steering feel, the features on board, everything is like on another level altogether. So car. It's like, it is something all the Creta owners were craving for. They wanted a perfect upgrade,
futuristic one. They just
design. It's like it's like from the Wakanda universe. Like it's like the Black Panthers SUV. Okay, super. Nice meeting you, Tami. Coming back again with my ZX-10R next time.
Okay, good.
This road is brilliant, pa. Where level?
First time is it?
For me, it's first time here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you.
See you. We'll catch up.
Yeah. Okay, this is manual mode. Oh my God, it's more responsive in the manual mode. Ooh, goodness gracious. In the regular sport auto mode, it's kind of okay, but in the manual auto mode it just, you floor the pedal and this thing comes alive. I want to drive this so badly in my regular that testing road back in Hyderabad, to push it to its limits. Here it's a little dangerous because it's a single lane road. Oh, look at it go. It holds the gear. Oh my God, it's not shifting. Let's try and find a straight spot and let us see whether it is shifting up or not. Let's find a quick straight road stretch. Okay, just tap it up to shift up, tap it down to shift down, shift down. Oh my God, a lot of corners here, so we have to be ultra careful. Okay, here we go. Let us slow down a little bit. Okay, it's shifting at 5000 RPM. Okay, it is shifting at 5000 RPM. Such a beautiful car, man. It's just beyond comprehension. beyond belief. And so glad Hyundai have come up with a well and truly proper upgrade option for all the Creta owners. This is it. This is going to set this market on fire and become the benchmark in the segment, and I'm sure it will be hard to beat in the days to come. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.